guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you an easy and wearable wedding guest makeup look. Since there are so many weddings happening right now, like I personally know of 15 people who are getting married, like my friends, their friends, my relatives, everyone. Since the COVID situation is quite under control, the restrictions have been taken off. People are getting married like crazy, and that too offline. So it's the time to attend offline weddings, like weddings in person, and for that you need some good makeup looks, and this video is exactly about that. So you're gonna have tons of weddings to attend, and while you want your makeup to look good, your skin also needs to look good. But if you wear like so much of makeup for so many hours straight, your pores might get clogged, and it might cause acne, breakouts, and all of that. So for that you need to ensure that your pores are completely clean, and this simple face wash is going to help you with just that. So this is the Dermacode Salicylic Acid Gel Face Wash. So this helps to get rid of any active acne that you have, and it also helps to prevent future acne, blackheads and whiteheads. So even though you'll be wearing makeup all day long for all of those functions, you're going to be ensured that with just a face wash, with just one single skincare step, your skin is going to be squeaky clean, and you're not going to break out, you're not going to get as many whiteheads and blackheads. So a face wash like this is going to come really handy for the wedding season. Apart from the face wash, you can also try out their other salicylic acid based products. Like I love this 2% salicylic acid face serum by the Dermacode. I always make it a point to use it whenever I have a lot of active acne, or whenever I exfoliate my nose, remove all of the blackheads and whiteheads. I make sure to apply this because it helps to prevent acne and whiteheads and blackheads. So you can check out either of these two products to deal with your acne, whiteheads and blackhead situation, or you can check out other salicylic acid based products by the Dermacode. They're all available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart, and also on Dermacode's website, where if you use my coupon code, that is Riya 2022, you'll get a 20% off. I highly recommend you check these products out because they are amazing. They are designed, formulated, tested and recommended by dermatologists, so they are extremely safe to use as well. Now let's finally begin the makeup tutorial. So firstly I'm going to be using a stick foundation. Normal foundations generally tend to sweat and melt since it started to get a little hot outside, but stick foundations stay for a longer time, especially if you have normal to oily skin. They stay for a longer time. Next up, I'm using this banana powder to set all of that makeup in place so that it lasts longer. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this palette, and I'm going in with the center white shimmer color and applying it all over my lid. Even though that color looks white on the palette, on the eyes it looks iridescent. It's so reflective, it's so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Next up, I'm going to pick up the brown shade and apply it to the outer corners of my eyes and blend it into the crease. Next up, I'm going in with the kajal and using it as a winged eyeliner, and then with the same tiny brush I'm just smudging it all out to create that smoky effect. Finishing off the makeup with some mascara. So moving on to face makeup, I'm going to pick the blush shade from this entire face palette and apply it on my cheeks, on my nose, on my chin and on my forehead to balance it all out and to look all flushed out. I'm picking up the highlighter from the same palette and applying it to all of the high points of my face and also in the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. For lipstick, I'm in the mood for a lip gloss today because no matter what long-lasting liquid lipstick that you apply, it sort of comes off when you eat your meals. So they aren't really that long-lasting, and it's very difficult to like touch them up. But with a lip gloss, it's very easy to reapply. Applying a bindi. I love how the makeup look turned out. It's so beautiful, it's so elegant, and yet it's so easy to do. And you're gonna have all eyes on you if you wear this makeup look as a wedding guest to any wedding. So in case if you recreate this look, then do tag me on your Instagram recreations. I would love to see them. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, where I post a lot of makeup reels and makeup pictures. The link to my Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below, so you can follow me there. Also, let me know in the comments below what other videos would you like to see. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.